Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, has gained significant popularity in South Africa as an avenue for potential financial growth. With its accessibility and potential for profit, it has attracted many newcomers. However, diving into the world of Forex trading without proper knowledge can be risky. This comprehensive guide aims to provide beginners in South Africa with the essential information needed to start their Forex trading journey on the right foot. Forex trading involves the exchange of one currency for another in the global market. The goal is to profit from fluctuations in exchange rates between currency pairs. In South Africa, popular currency pairs include the USD ZAR, which is United States dollar, and South African rand, and also Euro ZAR. If you are a beginner and you want to start Forex trading in South Africa, then you will need to know some key concepts as a beginner, and here they are. Number 1. Currency pairs. Number 2. Pips. Number 3. Leverage. And number 4. Lots. Starting out in Forex trading requires careful preparation. Novices should invest time in educating themselves about the market's intricacies. Selecting a reputable broker is a critical step, followed by creating a structured trading plan. Practicing with demo accounts is a valuable way to gain hands-on experience before risking real capital. So here are a few steps to take before you get started with your Forex trading. Step 1. Educate yourself. Step 2. Select a reliable broker. Step 3. Create a trading plan. And Step 4. Practice with demo accounts. Developing effective trading strategies is the heart of Forex success. Traders have two main approaches: technical analysis, which focuses on price patterns and indicators, and fundamental analysis, which considers economic factors and news events. Understanding these strategies empowers traders to make informed decisions. Risk management and emotional discipline are the cornerstones of profitable Forex trading. Establishing clear risk management rules, such as not overextending on trades and using stop-loss orders, is essential. Equally important is mastering the psychology of trading to maintain a rational mindset and avoid impulsive actions. These skills are crucial for long-term success in the Forex market. There are many Forex brokers available in South Africa, but the best Forex brokers to start you Forex trading in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, IC Markets, FBS, XM, Black Bull Markets, HF Markets, Axie, Oenda, Pepperstone, These all are basically the best Forex brokers in South Africa, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Forex trading offers exciting opportunities for South African beginners, but success requires dedication, education, and careful planning. By understanding the basics of Forex trading, selecting the right broker, and implementing effective strategies, beginners can navigate the market with greater confidence. Remember that Forex trading involves risks, and it's crucial to practice responsible trading and continuous learning.